welcome to my kitchen. And you know, kitchen is just like a playground for people who likes to cook, and I'm one of them. Today I have an idea. I want to make a tofu that is infused with soy sauce flavor. You know, those soy sauce flavor that you have braised soy sauce chicken, braised soy sauce tofu, etc. But I want to make it crispy. Cut the tofu into 1-inch cube. We do not want it to be too big, because if the tofu is too big, then when we marinate it afterwards, the marinade will be hard to penetrate to the center. I'm using the medium firm tofu. If you use the soft tofu, it will break easily afterwards. Then transfer the tofu to a container, as we want to marinate the tofu afterwards. Since we want to infuse the tofu with the soy sauce flavor, we need to prepare a marinade. Now this marinade consists of some water, some light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and these are the main ingredients. And the secondary ingredients will be some ginger, garlic, some sugar. This is rock sugar. If you don't have rock sugar, you can use any sugar you like. Some wine, and you can also add some spices. You can use star anise as what I'm using, or you can even add bay leaves and cinnamon, etc. Today I make it simple. I just use one of them only, that is the star anise. Because we need to extract the flavor of this stuff, the garlic, ginger, and the spices, as well as we need to dissolve the sugar. We need to boil all this stuff together for a while. Bring the marinade to a gentle boil and then simmer it for about 5 minutes to extract the flavor from the garlic, ginger, the star anise, and also dissolve the sugar. Let it return to room temperature before I use it to marinate the tofu. Okay, let's pour the marinade over the tofu. Now let's put all this into the refrigerator and let it marinate for about 3 to 4 hours, and let the flavor really penetrate deep into the tofu. Now take a piece of tofu, squeeze out as much as possible all those soy sauce marinade inside. And by doing so, what happens is that when you fried it, it will be much crispier. Look at all the liquid that comes out. Finish. Look at it. So much liquid that I squeezed out from the tofu. Transfer them to paper towel and set it aside. Get ready a mixture of cornstarch, rice flour, and season it with some white pepper and salt. Then coat the tofu with the mixture of flour and starch. Then heat some oil in a non-stick pan to fry the tofu until crispy. Flip it over from time to time so that all sides are being fried properly. Okay, looks good. So let's remove it from the pan. It's very nice. It is actually like the braised soy sauce tofu, but it's crispy. You can in fact just serve that way, but I'm thinking of making a sauce and also some garnishing. So let's go to the final step of this recipe. Let's make a quick sauce by combining some oyster sauce, some dark soy sauce, sesame oil, and some water, and then Bring it to a gentle boil. And then thicken it with some cornstarch slurry. Just a simple sauce for the fried tofu. That's how to make soy sauce infused tofu that is crispy. And this is definitely not something that is authentic or original. That I just want to make the braised soy sauce tofu to become crispy, and that's how this idea comes. And if you want to try this recipe, sure, I will include it in the description below the video and also at the end of this video for your reference. And I hope you loved something that is new, something fusion, something unusual. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.